Hey guys, so I'm going to show you this lens cleaning fluid. It's for use on all optical glass surfaces, and is distilled water and non-toxic glass detergent. So it's non-toxic, yeah. I can tell that I think it has about half remaining. I'm gonna give you with this purple bag here, and if you want this, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. Show you how it looks like inside. Yeah. Alright. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.